just wanted to give a quick rundown of the leveling kit I installed on my 2019 F150. It is STX package, XL model with max towing and 20-inch wheels, and then that's about it. I actually went with the smallest leveling kit I could find because I didn't want it to end up sagging. So I went with the motofab 1.5" spacers, which actually looks like it raised it. I measured it with the tape measure, a little more than 1.5", but you can see doesn't look too bad there. I think there's just barely any rake left in it. And just a quick rundown of the install. Took just over an hour, I would say. The one side did take me only like 30 minutes after I had all the tools out. So you just gotta undo these 3 bolts up here, and then I did it a little differently than a lot of people. So I bought this camber kit from Moog, camber caster kit, so you can fully adjust the alignment when you're done with it. So doing it this way, I was able to easily, you see right there, you get 2 of these with each kit, so then you can change your alignment settings there, and there's one on the front bolt there. All I had to do, undid both sway bar bolts right here, one on each side, take out this bolt and that bolt, and then these 2 lower strut bolts, and then once they're out, we have a jack under it. The arm will come down, and then you can just literally pull the strut out like right from here, and then install your spacer right onto that strut. Pretty self-explanatory. And then slide it back in, feed the bottom strut back through the control arm, and then put your jack, once you have these lined back up in the hole, put your jack under the front or rear, push it up high enough that you can get the bolt in started, and then get the other one in, and then you might just have to jiggle a little bit, but then it will be done in no time. So total definitely less than 2 hours to put that in. Did have some air tools obviously, but not too difficult a job, and I didn't undo anything else. So it actually, I also marked, you can see I marked with a paint marker to try to get the alignment back to exactly where it was. So that's it.